it was made only to see if making light through reflection could have a good lighting comfort. This reflecting cover showed us that the light coming from the lamp was good, but we had some challenges still to face. The light coming from this reflecting cover was symmetrical in the sense that in front of the pole and behind the pole the light was the same, and it was very narrow, so not suitable for street lighting requirements. If I have to draw the lighting profile we had, it was something like that. So we have most of the light below the pole. It was very narrow and it was symmetrical also. The 1927 was something like that. But the light coming out was beautiful, so we said, okay, this is the starting point, let's start the optimization process. The first challenge we had to face is to make the light asymmetrical, so most of the light in front of a pole, less light below the pole. With this shape, which remind us, how do you call that, I don't know, an owl maybe, an eagle better. We managed to make the light asymmetrical, so most of the light goes in front of the pole, only a small quantity below the pole. But the light was too narrow again. So my partner invented this system, this kind of optics, which managed to make the optical path of the rays get wider and to open so the luminous flux with a double reflection here. So the ray intercepts this surface, then this small surface, and then it goes wider. And so we managed to face all the challenges of street lighting. So good lighting comfort, good asymmetrical projection of light, and the wide flux. But that was not enough. We needed to create a better comfort, a better sense of uniformity on the street. And this is the result. We introduced, this is mainly our final reflecting chamber, which is divided, we say, in 2.5 parts. The first part, this one, is mostly responsible for lighting far from the pole, so at wider angles. This part is responsible for lighting below the pole. So we have the more LEDs in this area than the LEDs we have in this area. And we introduced something new. This kind of wall we put here was used in order to mix light, so that some of the rays coming from here go here and vice versa. In this way we managed to create a very uniform photometric solid, which makes the light coming from our lamps more uniform, and we create a better lighting comfort.